Hello and welcome to week 3. Woohoo! The focus of week 3 is digital citizenship, which is a new and very important thing to learn that probably didn't exist when you were in school. So this is a new type of citizenship. So same idea of learn and apply. So you're going to learn about the ISTE standard digital citizenship. And then you're going to review some materials on Common Sense Media about digital citizenship. Then you're going to review the Pear Deck Be Internet Awesome, which is like a 2-for-1 because you're learning both Pear Deck and you're learning about digital citizenship. Then there's an activity to do with that. Then there's a video with me explaining copyright law that we normally would do in an in-person class. And then you're going to create a digital citizenship policy, participate in a Flipgrid, and make a copyright commercial. So lots going on this week, so make sure that you pace yourself. All right, so ISTE Digital Citizenship. You're just like last week, you're gonna watch the videos, but this week you're gonna post to a Padlet. I'm gonna show you what that looks like, explaining what you learned. All right, let's check out Blackboard for week 3. So this is where you're going to submit all of your work. It's called a Padlet, and a Padlet is a great place to just gather ideas from people. Okay. So for tasks 1 through 3, this is where you're going to submit work. So you're not going to submit anything to Blackboard. So in Blackboard, you can just write finished or leave it unfinished on Blackboard. So you'll press the plus. The big key here is to put your name somewhere in this so that you can get credit. So after you watch the ISTE video, summarize your learning. After you review Common Sense Media, how could you use this to help students? And then after you review Pear Deck, how does this interactivity of Pear Deck help students? So you're just going to press plus and add them. If you create a login for Padlet, then your name will automatically appear. So here's the folder with the ISTE videos, just like last week. Again, really watch them. Don't skip this step because it's an easy thing to skip because this is where a lot of the learning takes place, is seeing real-world examples of technology in use. The second task is to go to Common Sense Media's website and explore their resources on digital citizenship. And then again, you're going to post to the Padlet. I'm going to show you what that looks like, about how these resources could help students. Then this is a link to Common Sense Media's website, and you're going to review the digital citizenship resources. Again, the more you review, the more you know, the more you learn, the better your classroom experience is going to be when you're. The third task is to review Pear Deck. So you're going to review the templates, and you're going to explain how Pear Deck's interactivity would help students learn. All 3 of those activities are going to go on the Padlet. So let me show you how you get there and what it looks like. A teacher. And then this is a link to go to Pear Deck. So you're going to go to Pear Deck, which is an interactive thing for Google Slides and for PowerPoint. You're going to click on Preview and Lessons and then learn about how Pear Deck works. Okay? And so after you do 1, 2, and 3, you post your response to the Padlet. The fourth task is to create a digital citizenship policy. Most schools and districts have this, and I really want you to think about what can students, teachers, and parents do to protect digital citizenship. And a lot of times students are like, I can't tell parents what to do. Well, we can't tell parents what to do with consequences, but we can give parents expectations like they should monitor for bullying. So there are resources in Blackboard to help you create this, but we can have expectations for parents. For step 4, these are the directions. So you're going to pick a school or a made-up school, pick a grade level, and you're going to create a digital citizenship policy. So this should be about 5 bullets. What can teachers do to promote citizenship? What should students do? And what can families do to promote citizenship? Okay, and this, excuse me. The 5th task is to post a Flipgrid. If you've never done Flipgrid before, I'm going to show it to you, but Flipgrid allows you to record a video response, and this is required in 407 now in all of the sections, not just in mine. So the question you're going to answer is, why is digital citizenship important to teach students? So it's going to be a video response. You're going to record yourself talking about that, and then that'll be due by Friday, and then you're going to respond to two people's videos. So you're going to watch two people's videos and respond to them. This video here would be really helpful. So if you watch this video, it has a bunch of ideas that you can just use. Okay, so watch this video and it has a bunch of ideas for the digital citizenship policy. Then you're going to go to Flipgrid. So let me show you what that looks like. So again, Flipgrid is just a place to record a video response. You're going to log in. Okay, so all you're going to do is press record a response and you're going to start talking. And so these are the ideas. 3 reasons why digital citizenship is important to teach. 2 resources or tools that you learn to teach digital citizenship, and 1 thing you still need to learn. And so your original post should be by Friday, and then you should respond to 2 classmates by Sunday. The final task is called the copyright commercial, and the key here is short commercial, 30 to 60 seconds. That's it. So this is not a 5-minute video like we did last week. So you're going to watch the video lecture that I've posted. You're going to choose one tiny thing about copyright, just one little piece, okay? And you're going to create a commercial explaining it. You're going to post that to YouTube. There is an opportunity for extra credit here to use one of the video making features that are on Blackboard. So there's a whole folder that explains that on Blackboard, and I'll show it to you. This is for the copyright commercials. So there's a video lecture you can watch where I go over copyright. And then you're going to pick one part of copyright and create a commercial. These are the directions for how to do that. These are resources on copyright, and this is where the extra credit is. And if you go to YouTube and you search 407 copyright commercial, there are a bunch of examples because we've been doing this for a little while, okay? So if you search that, you will see a bunch of examples of copyright commercials, okay? So you can review those if you need some examples to look at. And that's your final task for week 6. All right, that's it for week 3. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me via email or on Slack.